Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of the BingX Referral program. If you're looking to maximize your crypto trading experience, you've come to the right place. The BingX Referral program is a fantastic opportunity for both new and experienced traders. By joining this program, you can unlock a wealth of benefits. First, let's discuss how it works. When you use my referral code, CHUCHU, during registration, you'll gain access to exclusive rewards and promotions. Not only do you get a bonus, but you also enjoy lower trading fees, which can significantly enhance your overall trading experience. Why is this important? Well, lower fees mean that you keep more of your profits. As you navigate the dynamic crypto market, every percentage point adds up. And with the BingX platform, you can trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies with confidence. The user-friendly interface and advanced trading tools make it easy for anyone to start their trading journey. Now, let's talk about the referral aspect. When you refer your friends and family to the platform using the same code, CHUCHU, both you and your referrals will benefit from even more rewards. It's a win-win situation. You not only expand your network, but also create a community of traders who can learn and grow together. Sharing this opportunity is a great way to engage with others in the cryptocurrency world. In summary, by using the BingX referral program through my code CHUCHU, you're not just signing up for a trading platform, you're embracing a whole new way to enhance your crypto experience. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this program offers advantages you won't want to miss. Don't forget, you can start your journey today. Sign up using CHUCHU and take full advantage of the benefits waiting for you. Thank you for tuning in to Crypto Kickstart. Happy trading, and let's make the most of our crypto opportunities together.